Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm gonna record a birth announcement tutorial. Somebody in the group mentioned that they would like to see one, so I'm gonna show you how you can make your own really easily. Okay, first I've listed over here the fonts I'm gonna use. These will be more for boy, these will be more for a little girl. So we're gonna come over here and we're just gonna draw this box. Very simple. Draw this box. And it doesn't matter how big your box is because you can size it down after you're done. So the other thing we want to draw is some little shapes. I'm going to do circles because, well, why not? I'm going to do them like this, and then I'm going to come over here and duplicate them. So that way they're exactly the same, and I don't have to draw 100 of them. I'm doing a bunch. I don't know how many I'm going to need or want or use, but this way we have extra. I'm kind of liking the way that that's shaping up right there. I might have to just group that and use it. That's kind of cute. Okay, so let's group that. It's kind of cute. Okay, so first and foremost, you would need baby's name. Okay, so, oh wait, I want to do some hearts too. Because, I mean, come on. It's a baby announcement. Duplicate. 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 I don't know if any of y'all do this, but I find myself telling myself what to do every time I do a project. I'm pretty sure everyone thinks I'm crazy. Okay, so now we have our little heartsies. I'm going to move those down here so they're not in the way. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on my text. And I think we're going to go with Bromello first. So let's go with Bromello. Oh, it's already on Bromello. Right on. Okay, so then we're going to go here and we're just going to type our baby's name. This baby's name is going to be Grace. Okay? Grace, and then we'll give her the middle name of Lee. Okay, so I'm gonna make it bigger. We're gonna make that bigger too. See if we're good in size. We are. Gotta have it match. Okay, let me move these out down here too. Okay, so we have our name, our baby's name. We're gonna highlight that and weld. We don't want all of them yucky lines in there. And we're gonna group. Okay, so there's our baby's name. We're gonna put that right up at the top, and I'm gonna center it because I don't know, I might move it later. Now, for her stats, I'm gonna use this simple born, and I'm going to click outside of that, and let me go back here to born, and then we're gonna do her stats. Okay, so we're gonna say she was born February 1st, 2019. Okay. I'm going to turn my kerning off. And that looks good otherwise than that. Okay, so there's that stat, and now we're going to do her weight. We're going to say she was 7 pounds, 6 inches, or 6 ounces. Okay, we're going to put that there. Then we're going to put on there, let's see. Oh, her length was 19 inches. She's a small baby. Okay. For that, I'm going to turn the kerning on because it's a little bit displaced with what it looks like. I'm going to use my little ruler here and make sure that we are snapped in right. See that? We weren't. Now we are even. Okay. And this, I'm going to bind it, but I'm not going to group it. I'm just going to, so that I can move it. Okay. Grace Lee, February 1st, 2019, 6, whoopsie, see what I did there? Messed up. 6 pounds, or 7 pounds, 6 ounces, 19 inches long. What else do we need? Oh, the time she was born. We need that. Okay. Say she was born at 11:50 a.m. Alright. Now, here's the other thing, is this is a little big. I'm going to ungroup it, group my AM back together, and then shrink her down a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing with this. Ungroup, regroup, shrink her down. Whoops. There's the wrong button. And pounds as well. And inches as well. Okay. So, how we want to do this now? Oopsie, that's no good. That's no good. Let's group that. Let's group this. I forgot to regroup these. Don't forget to regroup. We'll have a mess on our hands. Okay. So, we have our stats here. I don't generally put what hospital they were born at. We could put a hospital in there, but I'm not going to. So, we would use this little deal here. I want that to not be so thick. Okay. So those look like little pearls. I think they're cute. I like them. My hearts are individual by themselves. So, what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to come over here and line them up right down the middle. Now, I do have the Samantha font, and it does have these little pre-made circle borders. But for the sake of doing it all by myself with tools within the Silhouette software, that is why I chose not to use the pre-mades. Alright, we'll leave these two hearts off to the side. Okay, now as you can see, I've got a little pattern going wonky over here. I'm going to come over here to my align tool, and we're going to vertically, oh no, we're not. I was just kidding. Don't do that. We're going to horizontally align these, and now they are all straight. Okay, and I'm also, while I've got that on, I'm going to group it. All right, deal. Okay, so now that's there. What we're going to do is we're going to put her stats here. She was born at 11:50 a.m. on February 1st, 2019. We need to shrink that down a little bit so it fits in there well. And actually, I think the date should go above the time. I want to shrink that time down a little bit too so that it flows a little better in the look. So February 1st, 2019, 10:50 a.m. And then we're going to put over here, we'll put her 7 pounds, 6 ounces, 19 inches long. And everyone has a ruler you can use right in your top of there, and it will help you with alignment, making sure that everything, you can even use it from the bottom. So that's there. Okay. Yep. Okay. So there it is. Okay, let me ungroup real quick because this is a little smaller than I anticipated it. You could put a whole lot more information on here if you wanted to. I'm not going to because, well, I'm just not. Okay. So, these little hearts, these extra little hearts, I feel like we should do something with them. And we'll move them over here. Okay, so then, now we have this, just like this. We're going to come over here and we're going to color it in. Why not? Because that seems like fun. We'll do it in purple. These I don't think, oh, they will color in, okay. Let's do girly. Let's do all things girl. Because we can. There. How pretty. So cute. Okay, and there it is. There it is. And then what you would do is you would decide on your space, whatever you're putting it on, whether you're putting it on a stuffed animal that is, you know, super small and tedious, or if you're putting it on a blanket or a canvas. This would go well on a canvas, I think. Maybe a 10 by 10 canvas. That would look really good. And then what you would do from here is, oops, not that. Just kidding. You would move this box because you don't need it anymore. It was just basically to make sure that you had everything lined up to where you needed it. Group all of this together. And then you can resize it however, whatever size you want. This right here is about 6 by 9. So I would go 10 by 10 and put it on a cute little canvas, maybe a messy canvas even. I would put the dimensions in over here, 10 by 10. And there you have it. Boom. Cute little birth announcement. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was intriguing.